Welcome to Basic Long-Term Assets Accounting. In this course, we're going to focus on the three major categories of long-term assets that you see here: fixed assets, intangible assets, and natural resources. And we'll start by asking the question, what is the purpose of accounting for these items? And we'll see that it really has everything to do with the initial cost of the items and then the using up of those items over time. We will look at fixed assets, also known as plant assets, so these are tangible items. And we'll ask, how do we record the cost of the various kinds of fixed assets? And then how do we record the depreciation or the using up of those items? We'll have three methods to look at: straight line method, double declining balance method, and units of production method. Then we'll move on to intangible assets, so assets that you can't touch. And we'll see, how do we record the cost of those items, and then how do we record the using up or the amortization of those items. And lastly, we'll look at natural resources, so assets that come from the ground. And we'll look at how do we record the costs and also the depletion of those items. And then we'll wrap up. So let's get started.